Hello everyone, welcome to Pathshala. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to build an application using Phonegap. We are going to build a very simple application which is age calculation. How to calculate age. With this application, we will able to calculate anyone's age. So let's get started. To build an application using Phonegap, you need to install some tools, and they are Node.js and Git. If you go to the Adobe PhoneGap website, under the docs section in CLI, in this section you will find the download link of Node.js and Git. You will also find the installation steps from this page. So as I have installed those, I'm going to open PhoneGap. It may take some time. So here we go. Our PhoneGap is open. So first thing, I'm gonna create a project. Create a new PhoneGap project. I'm gonna check blank. Next, I have to select the path where I'm going to save this project. So in desktop, I have created a folder named hcalc. So I'm gonna save there. So I have to put a name. I will put age calculator. Then I have to put id. Id could be anything. So here is a little example, com.phonegap.hello. So I'll provide an id something like this. Sorry, com.hcalc. Okay, create project. Our project is creating. So our project is been created. So if we click on this IP, it will drive us to our web page where we are going to edit our calculator. So okay, it's blank, it's totally blank. We are gonna edit this. First we are gonna inspect, and we are gonna make this view as a mobile phone view. I have selected that. Now we are going to edit. In this age calculator www section, we have to edit this index.html. We have index.html. We have to edit this html file. I'm gonna open my text editor, Sublime Text. So here is my editor. I'm gonna put that folder into this editor. hcalc. Okay, I have put it that in here in H calculator in www folder index.html. We have to edit this. Okay, this is titled as blank app. We are gonna title this as age calculator. Then in body, we are going to make this in 2 page. So if I make this in 2 page, then you will know how to connect 2 page in PhoneGap. So for this purpose, I am adding 2 page. The first page will be only having the start button. If we click on that start button, it will drive away to the next page. So I'm gonna put a button named start. So if we save this and view on our web page, we can see that there is a button named Start. You can edit this button in your own way. I'm just putting this in this corner. If we click in this button, it will drive us to the next page that we didn't create yet. So I'm going to create a new page in that www section. I mean www folder. Next dot html. So we're gonna copy this whole thing and paste here. So we don't need the button. So how is our age calculator is going to look? So I have drawn a design. So here we go. This is how our app will look like. We will have our birth date input from here, and we will input the present date here, and after clicking this calculate button we will show the result into this result box. So this is what you're gonna do. So let's go coding. You guys just follow me. Now if we reload this time it looks pretty much like our design. Okay, so we have completed our design. Now we have to add function to this calculator. So we have separated these values, the birth, day, month and year, and present day, month and year. We have separated those values into different variables. So in hand, how do we calculate age is something like this. In here we have two cases. Case 1, in present date, if the days or month is bigger than the birth days or month, we just simply subtract the value and we get the age. We just simply subtract that and we get the age. But in case 2, in the present date, if the days is lower than the birth days, then we have to add 30 here and we have to decrement the month by 1. And if the month is lower than the birth month, then we have to add 12 here and we have to decrement the year by 1. So we are gonna do this same thing in our code. If the present date is greater than the birth date, we are just gonna simply subtract those. And if the present date is lower than the birth date, then we are gonna add 30 in days and decrement month by 1. And if the month is lower than the birth month, then we are gonna add 12 in the present month and decrement the year by 1. our age calculator is working. So we are almost done with our calculator. Oh, we didn't show you yet how to connect two pages. Let's show you how to connect them. Now I will show you how to create icon for this application. Let's search on Google. Mm, this one looks cool. We have to add this in the XML file. So okay. So functionalism and design is done. Now we just have to build it. Let's show you how to build it. After this, we need to zip up this folder. Then we need to go to the internet and type build.phonegap.com. Firstly, you need to create an account. After that, you will have a page like this. Then click on upload, upload the zip file, and build. Our APK file has been created. Now you can transfer this in your Android phone and install this like you install all other apps and calculate anyone's age. So I hope you guys understand this whole tutorial and hope you enjoyed the video. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for being with us and don't forget to subscribe.